Hello everyone, my name is Mehdi and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to draw an exterior scene from this building using only Photoshop. We really need your support, so please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you and let's get started. Okay, as usual we start with the sketching. In this project we have a 2-point perspective building. So first we have to draw horizontal line and define 2 vanishing points on that. As you see here, one of the vanishing points is out of the paper. So we have to consider that in our mind. After that, start to add details and shadows. In this step, we need just the imagination of whole project, and it doesn't matter that your sketch looks good or not. Also, I have created a course about drawing perspective, which is completely a step by step and easy to learn. I put the link down below in the description. Okay, after you're done with your sketching, now select pen tool in the left tab. Make sure that shape option is checked, and then select your main color and start to draw the main lines. Make sure that create all these shapes in different layers, so you can work on them later one by one. Okay, after drawing shapes, turn on the sketch layer and now you can perceive the building better. Here we are gonna pick an oil brush and select our main color from the palette that we have created before. After that, start to apply values to surfaces one by one. You can select each layer by hitting Ctrl button on that layer. Try to create a gradation on surfaces, dark to light. Also, you can pick colors from the scene by holding Alt button. Okay, now I want to apply a texture and a big surface which has a metal material. So select my custom brush. I created that horizontally and vertically. Then I start to paint the texture. After you're done with texturing the main surface, start to add shadows to other surfaces, same as before. Well, now I'm gonna draw windows, so select pen tool, draw the main shapes, and then start to create a glass material by using a blue palette. Drawing highlights and reflection on the glass surfaces is so important, so use a bright color to create these effects on glass. Also use a pale red to create wall reflections on the glass. Here I'm gonna fix some areas which need corrections. After that, with a white color, draw highlights. Okay, now I'm gonna create a sidewalk around the building. So import the concrete texture to the scene, then try to fix the scale and perspective. Import several images to create a better texture on this perspective. Then merge the layers, decrease the opacity, and start to select main part by using lasso tool. After that, hit this icon to delete the extra part. Okay, now invert the selection to draw shadow side. Here I'm gonna apply building drop shadows on the sidewalk. So pick a low opacity brush and start to do shadow job. And make sure that the sidewalk layer is under the building layer. In the next step, import several asphalt textures in front of the building, which are in the direction of main perspective. Then import a cutout city and put it in the background. Clip a level adjustment layer to the asphalt layer and start to draw shadows. Then use a hard round brush and select exclusion from the blend mode tab and start to draw straight lines. Here again, clip a level adjustment layer to the city image and start to draw shadows. In the following, merge all building layers and transform it vertically, and then use it as a reflection on the street. In this step, I'm gonna apply blur effect on the city. Okay, now import two cars and blur them same as the city and draw their shadows and reflections. At the end, use my old brush and draw the sky just like me. You can also use a real sky image here, but I prefer to draw it.